The Internet of Things is an ecosystem of technologies that supports and enables the transformation of industry and the increasing automation and new business models that can come out of that. It involves multiple technical disciplines, including device management, device design, connectivity, data management, data analytics, user interface, security. All of these are technical components of an end-to-end IoT system. But in addition, it's the application of those technologies and those concepts to industry to solve problems that is where it becomes very, very powerful and very interesting. There's a concept called big data that's been floating around, which is more or less mine the data you have. The Internet of Things goes in a much more sophisticated direction. It is use the data you need and then work on that. So no point looking for a needle in a haystack. Let's look at what the problem is, what data you need, collect it, then do the analysis. Way more powerful concept. The skills that you need for the Internet of Things include the technology and math skills, definitely. But generally they're necessary but not sufficient to really make an impact. It's the marriage of technical skills that are necessary plus an area of interest in industry. So whether that's the environment, whether that's in water management, whether that's in transport or smart cities, the application is where the innovation and where the interest and where the value lies. We're going to see services that are much more aligned to the resources we have, smarter methodologies and ways in which we can align the use of those resources with how people do things, behavioural change that'll happen as a result of understanding how people interact with their environment, how they use energy, how they use air, how we share things. And that will also be encased within a security framework that we're going to have to learn to work with, which is how can we share all this information in a secure way that still protects our own privacy, but actually allows all these new things to happen. How that actually will go, I can't predict. But I'm hoping that we're going to come up with a formula that is one that we can all trust and that will be of benefit to us all.